Welcome, my name is Kevin Brandon, and in this video I want to show you how to view your Adobe XD website prototype in a web browser to check the font size, to check the image dimensions, and make sure this looks good inside of a web browser. To begin with, I have the OZ website design displayed inside of Adobe XD. Currently I'm in the design workspace, and I need to switch to the share workspace. Simply click at the top left, share. Now that I'm in the share workspace, I can go over to the right-hand side and take a look at the view settings and link access. Design review is fine for what we're doing. If I want to share this link with anybody, I can share this link. And I need to just simply click the Create Link button. When you click the Create Link button, Adobe is going to save your XD file up into the Creative Cloud and display a link that you can click on to view your prototype inside of a web browser. You can also share this link with anybody you'd like. Initially, when your XD file displays inside of a web browser, it may look like this. What you want to do is turn off the comments. You want to change your percentage view from example mine is 34.1%. Click on this and choose 100%. Next, what you want to do is click on the double arrow to enter the full screen mode. This means that I can scroll up to the top and scroll through my website and see what this website will look like inside of a web browser at 100%. If any changes need to be made, then you can simply go back to Adobe XD, make those changes, and update that link. For instance, I'm going to take a look at the fonts down here, and I see in this featured area that their leading is a little bit too large, and I want to decrease that leading to bring some of the type back up, as well as the letter spacing. So I'm back inside of Adobe XD. I'm going to click on my design workspace, and I'm going to edit the text here. Because there's a character style applied, that's all I need to edit. So going into my document assets, I'm going to right click on my feature description and edit that text. Right now I can see that there's 100 letter spacing, so I'm going to change that to 75. Perfect, that brings that back up, and I'll decrease the leading to maybe 24. Great. Now that I think that looks better, I'm going to go back to my share workspace, click on the update link, now that the link is updated, I can simply go back into my web browser, refresh my web browser, the latest version is on my screen now. I'm going to press Escape, change my view to be 100%, click on the fill screen, and now I can double check and see all the rest of my fonts and the images and the layout of my website. Hopefully that helps as you create prototypes for website designs in Adobe XD, view them inside of a web browser to test them and make sure that they're exactly the way you want. All the best.